So welcome back people, and today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1239, that is maximum length of concatenated string within unique characters. And in this we'll be given an array of strings ARR. The naming convention is so poor. A string S is found by the concatenation of subsequence of ARR that has unique characters. And what we have to do, we have to return the maximum possible length of S, and the subsequence is an array that can be derived from another array by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. Okay, so let's have a look that in the first case we are given array equal to un is one string which is present in the array, iq is one string, and ue is another string that is present in the array. Okay, so what we can do, if we combine un and iq, it will give us unique letters that, and if we concatenate these two strings, their length will become 4. Okay, so yeah, if we combine them, then their length will become 4, and it will also be the property that they'll be having only unique set of strings. But if we combine ue with like un iq ue, it we are having two u's, which is not allowed, as the string should have only unique characters. So that's why the unique length is 4, or the other possible combination could be iq ue, that will also give us the maximum length of 4. In the second array we are given as char, act and ers. What we can do is we can combine cha and ers, that will give us char, and similarly what we can do, we can combine act or ers, that will give us actors, and both length of both the strings will be 6. Okay, so what we can do is we can use recursion to find the maximum length. And now let's have a maximum variable is equal to math dot, integer dot min underscore value, and what we'll be doing, we'll be backtracking and we'll be finding all possible combinations. Okay, so let's call the function, let's call it find max length, and let's pass the starting index, the array of, and let's pass an empty string, and also the maximum length which we are having, that is currently 0. Okay, so and let's, we have to return just simply max. Okay, so for every string, what we'll be doing, we'll be picking up that string or we'll be not picking up that string. Okay, so let's write a void function, private void, and let's name it find max length, and it will be taking parameters as index and the list of strings, that let's call it words. Yeah, and in a empty string, let's call it word, and the length, okay, let's call it length. And we'll be checking that if index is equal to words dot size, so we'll be just updating the max with the current maximum and or the maximum length. Okay, so max will be equal to math dot maximum of max comma length. Okay, so and we'll be just then returning the function. So first what we'll be checking, that we can only combine words if the current string and the word which we are going to combine has only unique letters. Okay, so let's call a function is valid, this will be a boolean type, and then in this we'll be passing the current word plus the, we'll be concatenating the words dot get ind. So if this is valid, then what we'll be doing, we'll be calling the function again, find max length with the index plus 1, and words array words, and the word plus words dot get index, and what we'll be doing, we'll be increasing the length by length plus words dot get index, the word at dot length, the length of the word that which we are adding into the length. And if this is not the case, then this will be the case, because for everything we'll be having two choices, that if we pick the word or if we not pick the word. So we'll be calling the recursive function again, that is find max length, and on this we'll be increasing the index, but we'll be not changing the current word and the length of the word. Okay, So let's write the boolean function, that is valid private boolean is valid, and it will be taking a string word. So now you can use a frequency map too, and but for the ease of this question I'll be using a set. So set of characters, and let's call it unique, that is equal to new hash set. And okay, so now let's traverse in the word that for char letter in word dot to character array char array. What I'll be doing, I'll be adding these letters to the set, unique dot add letter, and at the end we know that if the size of the set is unique, if the set contains all unique characters, then the size of the size will be then the size of the set will be equal to the length of the word. Okay, so we'll be returning if set of size is equal, oh not set, unique dot size is equal to the length of the word dot length. Okay, so this is how we'll backtrack the whole solution. Let's run it once. Okay, it says unexpected type required variable font value, oh sorry, equal to, yeah, we're comparing these. Yeah, now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today, and thank you for watching.